In an era where digital entrepreneurship flourishes, the story of FEXYL emerges as a beacon of innovation and success. By leveraging ChatGPT to create and sell digital products on Gumroad and Etsy, FEXYL generated an impressive $105,000 in revenue. This tutorial is your roadmap to emulate that success, offering a step-by-step guide to harnessing the power of AI for online earnings. Prepare to unlock the secrets of creating a passive income stream that transcends geographical boundaries and technical know-how. Step 1. Crafting content with ChatGPT. The journey begins with the core of your digital product, content generated by ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT and input something like the following prompt. Create 100 engaging prompts tailored for social media marketing. This request produces a wide array of content ideas, ensuring your product appeals to a diverse audience, similar to FEXYL's winning strategy. Navigate to ChatGPT's platform and select the latest version for optimal results. Type in your prompt clearly and concisely to avoid ambiguity. Once the content is generated, review it for relevance and uniqueness, ensuring it aligns with current market trends and demands. Step 2. Compiling and designing your digital product. With your content ready, it's time to transform it into a marketable digital product. Compile the ChatGPT-generated prompts into a document using your preferred word processor. Aim for a clean, attractive layout that mirrors the professionalism that distinguished FEXYL's offerings. Convert this document into a PDF format, which will serve as the product you sell. Here are some design tips. Utilize tools like Canva or Adobe InDesign for a more polished layout. Include a cover page, table of contents, and clear headings for each section. Consider adding visual elements related to social media marketing to enhance the aesthetic appeal and readability. Step 3. Creating eye-catching product listings. Your product's online presentation is crucial to attracting and converting potential customers. Use Canva or a similar graphic design tool to create thumbnails that stand out. Aim to design an image that conveys the essence of your product, such as a compelling visual of an open laptop with your PDF displayed on the screen, and a tagline that succinctly captures its value proposition. Make sure to take the following into consideration. Ensure the thumbnail design is consistent with your brand identity to build recognition. Highlight the primary benefit of your product in the design, making it instantly clear to potential buyers. Use high-contrast colors and readable fonts to make your listing pop among competitors. Step 4. Launching your product on Gumroad and Etsy. Following FEXYL's footsteps, set up your storefronts on Gumroad and Etsy. These platforms are chosen for their vast user bases and ease of use for sellers of digital products. Create detailed listings for your product, focusing on its benefits and applications. Pricing strategy is critical here. Conduct market research to find a balance between competitive pricing and perceived value. Launching tips for Etsy and Gumroad. Include keywords in your product title and description to improve search visibility on both platforms. Offer a free sample or preview of your product to provide potential buyers with a taste of the value you're offering. Set up automated delivery for your digital product to ensure buyers receive their purchase immediately after payment, thus enhancing customer satisfaction. Step 5. Marketing your digital product. The final piece of the puzzle is a robust marketing strategy. Utilize social media, content marketing, and email campaigns to promote your ChatGPT-generated prompts. Share testimonials and user reviews to build credibility. Engage with your audience through valuable content related to social media marketing, positioning yourself as an authority in the field. Now let's cover some marketing strategies. Leverage platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram, where your target audience is most active. Create engaging content that highlights the uses and benefits of your product, such as blog posts, videos, or infographics. Run paid ads to target individuals interested in social media marketing to increase your product's visibility. This comprehensive guide has outlined the steps to replicate FEXYL's success by creating and selling ChatGPT-generated digital products. From generating content to marketing your final product, each phase is designed to build a scalable, passive income stream. The digital marketplace offers endless opportunities for those willing to innovate and execute with precision. Armed with this knowledge, you're well equipped to embark on your journey toward online entrepreneurship. Thank you for your time in this tutorial. If you're inspired to start your digital product journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more detailed guides on maximizing your online earning potential. With dedication and creativity, the digital landscape is yours to conquer.